like the design, like they copy paste even the makanan, the menu kan yang you guys nampak ni basically kalau you pernah pergi China exactly it's the same. Hey guys, for this video I want to bring you to one of my most favorite restaurant that serve a Chinese Muslim cuisine. What make it so different, so special? It is authentic from a China mainland. So when I say China mainland, basically it's not a Chinese local, it's more to a Chinese China. So let's go. The moment when you step into this restaurant, right, everything like feel very China-ish. Dia punya ambience, dia punya customer, dia punya workers even from China, and even the menu itself. So if you've been to China before, you can know that the menu is very similar. Like the design, like they copy paste even the makanan, the menu kan yang you guys nampak ni basically kalau you pernah pergi China exactly it's the same. So what if you ask me what is the difference? Basically cuma RM tukar kepada yuan. Kalau kat China yuan lah, kat Malaysia RM. So the portion, the price is almost the same. So this is one of the authentic China mainland food that you should come over. 老板，你这个要吗？
有。
我要3个。
3个啊。
So this is some of the dishes that you should try when you come to the authentic China Muslim restaurant. That we have beef noodle, then we have the spicy chicken, we have the fried rice, and the most important thing is this lamb skewer. So the lamb skewer is like totally different. It's like another level that you should try. The taste, the smell. So if you ask me, I would say that it's almost same, very similar to the China one. Just that maybe they are using the local meat, they're using the local rice. So that's some of the difference. But overall, the rest is the same. So the damage was like 70 ringgit for like 3 people, and for me it's really totally worth it with the amount of the food, and it's really authentic. And if you guys looking for like China mainland authentic food, I totally recommend you guys to come here, and I will put the detail at the down below.